Most manufacturers in the UK and Ireland quote either the British Standard Pendulum test or the German ramp test, and some both. Let's start off with the German ramp test DIN 51097. This is a real world test. Real people, real bare feet, real soapy water, and people really do fall. Let me explain. You start off with the product on the horizontal. Someone then stands on the sample and after first soaking their feet in the soapy water to be used for 10 minutes. The person then walks backwards and forwards to the beat of a metronome as the soapy water is continuously poured over the sample. The ramp is all the while being slowly inclined until the person slips and falls. 2 people do the test and each do it 4 times. The output from the ramp test is either an A, a B or a C. The best result, and get this, is a C, and that's achieved when the ramp gets to 24 degrees or above. Regardless if it's 24, 34, 44, it will be classification C. We have a video to show this, which was actually the first SenseTech ramp test. And a spoiler alert, the person doing the testing does not fall. People, for whatever reason, get really disappointed when the video ends without seeing a fall. 2 things to look out for, please. Visualize yourself standing in the position of the person doing the test and look at the bottom left-hand corner. You will see a build-up of soap suds. The main point to remember is that C is better than A, and here is a table showing the angle of slope to obtain A, B or C category. The main advantage of the ramp test is that it is based on people with bare feet and soapy water. For a shower tray, this is how it is used. What better test? And if you can imagine showering in a tray that could be walked on at an angle of 24 degrees or above, how safe would you feel on the horizontal? It is very difficult to find a disadvantage to this test, but as this is the format of the CPD, I will try. You didn't see properly from the video, but the size of the apparatus is huge, so big that it remains stationary. If you want to test something, you must take the test piece to the machine. So for an already installed shower tray that needs to be tested as a result of an accident, this is not practical. Now for the bonus section, and I know this is all a bonus, so technically this is the bonus within the bonus. We are so close to our values, DIN 51130, that they have to be discussed. Tiles sometimes have our values associated with them for slip resistance. You now know how this is measured. You have just watched the video. However, there are 2 main differences. The first, it's not a barefoot test. The person must wear a specially defined rubber boot. This image is lifted directly out of the German standard. Also, the liquid used is not soapy water, it is engine oil DW30. This is a table showing what the R values mean. So you can see R13 is whenever you get to 35 degrees or above. The next section will cover the British Standard Pendulum test.